Hello, this is going to be a Q&A test for the 80s class. Plaintiff attorney is Mr. Flowers, Flowers. Defense attorney is Mr. Fiddler, Fidler. Again, plaintiff attorney, Mr. Flowers, Flowers. And defense attorney is Mr. Fiddler, Fidler. We're going to start off with the plaintiff. Ready? Okay. As I said, it's nice to meet you. My name is Jim Flowers. I represent, in this case, the family of a gentleman who was killed in the accident that my information is you had some information from investigating as an officer, and that's what brings you here today. I thank you for coming here today. The deposition process, as you have already learned from your past experience, is where lawyers have an opportunity to meet and ask questions of witnesses to get information that they may or may not know about an accident that happened. My information is that the accident happened on September the 10th, back in 2015. Is that your understanding as well? Yes. Okay. And I asked you before we went on the record if you had a chance to review your report and the photographs, and I think you said that you had. Yes. You stopped by the station and you have a copy of both the report and the photographs. Correct. All right. One thing that I like to stress with people about depositions is it's not going to be anything that's going to be tricky. No lawyer is going to ask you questions. They shouldn't ask you questions that are tricky. If there's anything at all that you find about any question that I ask of you today that you don't understand the context of the question, any word in the question, anything at all about the question you don't get, I want you to feel free and let me know you don't understand. Will you do that for me? Yes. The other side of the coin would be if you answered a question that is asked of you today, everyone involved in the case is going to assume that you listened to it, understood it, and then answered it as best you could today. Is that fair? Yes. You know that you're under oath to give the best testimony, the most honest testimony that you can give today. And I trust that you will. Correct? Yes. And this, even though we're in my conference room, this has the same force and effect as though we were sitting in court. And that is, even though it's a deposition, it is formal. And that is, everything we are saying today is being taken down by the court reporter. Okay. We have a very small word list. The only proper name that we have is Jim, capital J-I-M. And of course, he says his last name, Flowers, but we know that is the plaintiff attorney. So I've already given you the spelling of Flowers. And that is it for the word list. Good luck and have a great day.